Hello everybody, and I am back hunting again. Here I want to show you this Jada from Fast and Furious, the Volkswagen Jada. The Jeep Gladiator. Now I think this is 124 or 118 scale, because for the Jeep it's 124, but if it's the Jetta, it's too big to be 124. London bus, they have the old London bus, not the new one. Still, Ford GT40 from 1966, Kinsman. In red or in racing color. Valley meaning. And here we have the Maestro. This is nice. 143 scale, Howler's custom cab. Expensive, 143 scale, mostly plastic but well detailed. There's another one, racing truck. Like I said, nicely detailed, plastic. There's another one. Oops. This is a Volvo. Maybe I'll buy this. Should I? It's a Volvo. And here we have Bobcat. Farm equipment. Small farm. Motorized Bburago. Anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.